Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to explore the feature of append queries. So there are two options, append queries and append queries as new. So let's learn one by one. So what the append query does here is that, suppose I'll give you one example. That suppose this I have created the data, but append data, it is having product ID, product name, category and subcategory in a column. So it is having four columns. This table is having four columns, so another column should have the four columns to append the queries. So I have created this another table which is having the same column, like product ID, product name, category and subcategory, and here also I have inserted some data. So if you have another column here in this table, fifth column, then if you try to append it, then it will not work. So a structure should be same if you want to append the queries. Okay, so this is having four columns and this is also having four columns. So this is one kind of vertically appending the queries. Okay, vertically appending the queries between two tables. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that before using append queries, I'll tell you that in append data you could see this. The first row is PROD 501 customer, furniture and bookcases. In this table also we have the first row is 501 customers, furniture and bookcases. Okay, so if I append, then this would be the duplicate one, means there will be two records of same data. So let's understand and then we'll clear that duplicacy as well. So I have selected the append data and then I'll click on append queries, and what will happen that here I'm getting one pop-up where I'm getting options to select the next table, this table, two tables. Okay, if you have more than two tables, then you could use these options here, three tables. But as of now, if you have two table to append, then I would suggest you to use this two option, and here table to append. So as I told you that I have created a new table, so I'll select this table, and then once I click OK, so what will happen, see this, appended data had 50 records. Okay, earlier had 50 records, and from here you could see from 51, 52, 53, these are the data which are available in table data. See this, a second row is product 1001, product 1002. So if I click on append data, here you could also see that product 10001, and then second row is that product 1002. So same data is here. Now total records are 53 because both the table are having the same structures, so it is appended. Okay, now if I check that there could be duplicacy, this table had 50 records and this table had 3 records, so total records are 53, but there could be duplicacy. So how to check the duplicacy? So once I select here, now if I say that keep duplicates, okay, here see this, keep duplicates, so two records are coming. Why two records are coming? Because in product append data, table and table both are having the same rows, same data, that's why it is showing as duplicate. But we have the requirement to remove the duplicacy. Okay, then only data will be clean, otherwise there would be no duplicate data. So this would not means we will not get the proper results, whatever the results we want to have it. So what we should do here, that you could understand the product ID would be the unique key. So I can select this product ID, and we have remove rows. From here you could use this feature remove duplicates. Okay, if I click remove duplicates, so duplicates record has been removed, and now you could see that 52 records are displaying. Why only 52 records are displaying? Because Toti had 53 records and this one was the common one, so one of the record has been removed. Okay, and only one record is kept over here, so that's why 52 records are displaying. So we can use this feature to remove the duplicates. Now so if we have to check the errors, do we have the errors or not? If I select this and if I select this, and is there any errors with this table and all that, so we can use keep errors. Okay, if I select, then you could see there's no errors as of now. There's no error, that's why it is saying that the table is empty and there's no errors. Okay, as of now. other features are also there, that keep top rows, keep bottom rows, keep range of rows. So these are the very simple one. It is not being used, but as per the requirements you could use these features. So this is what the append query does. This is what the append query does. Now what will happen, that if I use append query as new, so same data will be available, but separate table will be created. So I select this append data, okay, and before selecting, let me clear the data. So it is having 50 records, and I select appended data, and I'll use append queries as new. So once I select append queries as new, so here you could see the pop-up is coming, and second table it is asking to select the second table. So we have table, and we selected that, and once I click OK, so new table is created. See this separate table has been created. The same data is available which we used to see in appended data, but here the separate table has been created, and we used to get 53 records, which we used to get we are getting 53 records which we used to get under appended table. Now the same options we will be using to if I say that keep duplicates, see this. So again 2 records are coming, which are the duplicates, but if I remove the duplicates, so one of the row will be removed, and one data will be kept to which will be the unique one. So if I delete this record or remove this record, so this will be the unique one. So as of now, what I am going to do, I'll use the same feature which I showed you earlier, that remove duplicates. If I select remove duplicates, so see this 52 records are showing. So what happens, it is vertically appending the tables. If the both tables are having the same table structure. So this is what the append queries does, and I would request you to please do the hands-on on append queries, because I would request you please subscribe this channel, and like the video, and let's meet in next video. Thank you very much.